Cook of Silk here. We are bothering Godzilla and stealing his recipe for an energy boost. This recipe is aptly named Godzilla's Energy Boost. This recipe is non-alcoholic. In a bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of agave syrup. Mix well. Set this aside while you get your drinking glasses ready. To your drinking glass, add a couple of ice cubes. Then, add in half of your ginger mixture. Make sure you strain it to catch all the ginger bits. Pour about 6 ounces of cold seltzer water. Let's give this a taste. There is not too much of a smell, just a subtle hint of lemon. The turmeric doesn't add anything flavor-wise to this drink, and if you don't like turmeric, you could always just use food coloring for the yellow color. Using turmeric does have health benefits though. The drink is mellow since the vanilla plays down the lemon juice, and it is not overly sweet. The seltzer water adds a nice airiness to the drink. This is a pretty good recipe that I believe would go well with some Mechagodzilla cake. If you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.